Welcome to the next Integra vlog. Currently took off my fender, about to put on new door hinges because this door likes to sag like an inch and it's really annoying. Chance is currently over at Zach's house. This vlog is pretty much just kind of continuing off the last one. I'm about to install my stage 2 clutch and finish the rest of the stuff that I have on my little list, which is like fixing my blinker. It likes to stay on even with the keys off and the lights off. Yeah, I gotta figure out that. Maybe a positive or something is grounding on the chassis or something, because all of this does hook up to this little box thing. I don't know, I gotta figure it out. Yeah, there's a few other things. I need to put in new axle seals. I'm about to drop my transmission so I can put in my stage 2 clutch. Yeah, just gonna be doing stuff. Whew. Just had a major jam session. Check that out. It should be a little link thing on the screen right now. I'm currently in the process of dropping my transmission. I'm almost done. So on the side of pulling the transmission, we installed the new door hinges and got them kind of adjusted and all that. So my door finally does not sag. That is so satisfying. Oh, hello. Transmission is off and cleaned. Very clean. About to put the clutch on right now. But before that, have to install the pilot bearing. And to get to that, I'm pretty sure we have to take off the flywheel. So let's go ahead and do that. Flywheel's off, rear main seal still looks pretty good. This old pilot bearing fell right out of the flywheel. It's pretty much like a, you can consider it the flywheel's bearing, I guess. Now I can put in the new one and just pretty much start putting everything back together. I also have to put in my new transmission seals. That's pretty self-explanatory. You just seat them right where they're supposed to go. One side's bigger than the other, by the way, on the B series. That's one thing AutoZone couldn't figure out, apparently. So the bearing's in and greased up a little bit, so I think we're good. Oh, there's the one that doesn't want to screw in. 3, 4. Ooh, that fucking hurt! God damn! Oh, I'm scared to look at my arm. The teeth like fucking ate me. That was bad. That was bad. My arm is open. Oh my god. Oh, fucking gnarly. I don't think I hit any main arteries or anything. No. Oh. See it? That fucking hurts.
Nice and juicy.
God damn it. Alright, so after all that bullshit, my arm hurts now. Let me look up the torque sequence and the specs. I have the torque specs, not the sequence. Actually, I kind of already have the sequence now. I'm just going to do it like a drum head. So you want to do it in steps, apparently. Let's see if you can focus on that. This camera does not like focusing. Ooh. Whoa. Okay. Oh yeah, you want to do it in steps. First with 19 foot-pounds, 38 foot-pounds, 57, and then last but not least, 76. Alright, let's hope this doesn't happen again. Ooh.
You got a little bit more extension on that.
Is there a bug on me?
Yeah, probably more.
They're already past 19. Oops. Actually, they're kind of right at 19. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I'm just gonna go around, make sure we're all even. Good. They're groovy. Alright, straight off the bat, this clutch is a lot more grabbier and kind of stiffer. Go figure, it's stage 2. It's not too bad though. Where's my gears, man? Something's wrong here. Oh fuck! 6th, 7th, 8th, I think. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 gears. And reverse. Alright, so as you can see, I got the transmission mounted. Thank you, Zach. He went inside and crashed. As you can see, the sun is already up somehow. Chance left his Beamer here because we need to do some work to it. I'm really trying to fight the sun here and beat it. Next couple hours it's gonna get really hot. I am pretty much done. Next clip, this thing should maybe be drivable. I don't know. Tie rod boots, rotate my wheels, threadlock spacers, quick steel around my car a little bit, just little dinky, little crap. Let's see if it wants to. Just little dinky stuff, nothing too crazy. Yeah, you see what I'm doing. Not really gonna film it because it's kind of, stupid stuff, but I'm gonna get it done and I'm gonna show you that I got it done. Alright, so after going through hell and back, and I mean quite literally, we are pretty much done. Popped off both tie rods and put on the boots I had on before that weren't actually messed up. I bought new tie rod boots, or steering rack boots, whatever you want to call them, and this ended up happening like within not even 2 months. Axles are in, everything is torqued down besides axle nuts. Now all I have to do is to just pretty much double check that everything is torqued down evenly, and fluids. Yes, that's what I need to do. That was the main thing I came out here for. I need to get this into my transmission somehow. Okay, so that one right there says the internet. That's my drain plug. I'm going to keep the transmission fluid that's already in my transmission because it's actually really clean still. But that's a drain. And then above it, on the other side of the axle, if I can kind of show you, kind of hiding right there. Just point at it. That one. Alright, there. It should be a 17. Just a little bit carefully. Stick this through all my wires and then you see my starter and everything. So I can. Alright, I think I did it. As you can see, I got it just resting in there. And it's just draining into the transmission. I'm getting there. Kind of got everything torn apart and just matching the wires. There are 3 that are kind of, actually these 3. I can't find the other side to them, so they might be somewhere inside of this, the rest of the harness. I might just have to cut it open and find them, I guess. But yeah, there are definitely 3 wires that I cannot find. It's also the 4th of July, so I kind of feel like making burgers. But I'm definitely feeling burgers and the whole 4th of July spirit and all that. It is raining and also really sunny. So thank you, rain, for making this heat humid. Alright, so I got everything rewired and all nice and pretty enough anyways. And they're also rewired down here. I did not get rid of my constant power problem, which really sucks, but rather than doing that, I just tapped into the bulb that was working, this one right here. As you can see, I just tapped its power into this one. So I'm probably just going to keep it like that. It's kind of annoying, but until then, you know, I got to be able to drive my car and use my blinkers. So if you just so happen to have this problem, just kind of bypass it. Hey, she's not exactly perfect, but hey, neither am I. Currently re-greasing on my brake calipers because they kind of decided to get locked up on all four recently. If only it would focus.
Oh, this is his car. It's his car. Yeah, there's all of us in here.
Wait, what did you say?
He's asking if you race.
Was that? Not yet. I want to.
Okay.
Why do you ask?
Huh?
Why do you ask?
I got a Mustang.
Oh, you're the guy with the Mustang.
Yeah.
What is that, titanium pipes or something, dude? That thing sounds nice.
Wait, the red Mustang?
No.
It's great. I got
The dark one.
I got another one in Georgia, but it's an older one, like a 92.
Yeah.
Matter of fact, my brother and I taking it to the track tonight. Oh,
That's nice. Yeah, I want to track this thing soon. It doesn't got much under the hood.
You got a 2JY something in one. Right? 2JZ? 2J, yeah. Quick.
Hell yeah.
Can't get mine.
Those things are fun.
Can't get mine. He ain't got number one. He got one seat in it. Can't get mine.
Race car status.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's cool. Yeah.
He used to have it in the Lexus. Took it out the Lexus.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Damn, dude.
So what do you got going on with the Mustang? What's the?
I mean, that's.
Does it build or anything, or?
I play in the street with it, but
Yeah.
we usually take the older one out and really play.
Hell yeah.
But the guy, I gotta say, the guy from Albany got one. He had that whatever it is in a Lexus. He put it in the bed. Now he got it on one.
Lexus, yeah. Those are some of them are 2JZs. Yeah. Yeah.
It's pretty
Those
quick,
things,
man.
those
Like,
things are nice.
you
That's
can't-
cool.
You can't get him off the line. You can't get him off the line. You'll never see him again.
Yeah.
I bet, dude.
Never see him again.
That's gotta be a crazy ass fucking project to put a 2J in this motherfucker.
Alright, so I just greased up all my calipers, and I was also messing with my blinker that I rewired. I just realized that it doesn't stay on with the running lights on. It only turns on whenever it starts to blink because it's wired up. This power on this one is wired up to this green wire on here, which is what makes this light blink. So this light only turns on whenever I turn on my blinker, which kind of sucks. It drives me nuts because it's not on with the rest of them whenever I'm just cruising along with my lights on. So that constant power, that red wire, needs to get wired onto this somehow, or I just need to fix this problem because this original wire is shorted out somewhere in the engine bay, or I don't know. It's just not working, so that's why I had to rewire it, and it really sucks. Yes, so if you ever see me on the road with one light out, don't make fun of me, because I'm going to be driving myself insane thinking about it, because it's like OCD or something. You know, you have all your lights running, they look all nice, so then you have that one bulb that is out that you cannot turn on. I guess I'm done. I'm going to go on a little cruise and get some McDonald's, see how she rides. has so many little kinks. It's driving me nuts.
Hi, can I help you?
Yeah, can I get 3 big chickens with a side of buffalo sauce?
3 meat chickens and a side of buffalo sauce.
Yes, sir.
Okay, anything else?
That'll be it.
$3.21.
Thank you. Better mounts. I hope it didn't knock it out of focus at all. Yeah, it knocked it out of focus. I wonder how many more times I got until it stays out of focus. So I've let this thing fall a lot. But yeah, guys, that's about it for this vlog. As you can see, Integra really likes the clutch. I really like the clutch. There's a big difference, in my opinion, on how it drives and operates, downshifts and shifts, all that. Tanky's really happy, especially with the new fuel pump and adjustable fuel pressure regulator. Yeah, other than some annoying little kinks, like that light bulb situation with my blinker, that's kind of stupid. Thing's driving better than it ever has. I gotta look at the bright side rather than getting mad at all the little things. But yeah, I apologize for my lack of posting. I'd like to post videos more consistent. But lately I've been filming so much I haven't had really enough time to edit. So I kind of still finding a balance and all that good stuff. So I appreciate anyone who watches my videos, whether it be my music, other people's music, my car vlogs. I appreciate it. Thank you for watching, guys. Stay tuned. Peace.